Hey, welcome back to another video of A Plumber's Life. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to change a faucet aerator. So, to break it down and explain what a faucet aerator is, that is, if you look underneath the faucet, in here, it's a filter, as they call an aerator, to allow the water to come out a certain way. So, sometime over time from the street, the aerator will catch like particles of dirt that have been traveling through the line. So to replace the faucet aerator, the first thing you want to do is, I got some channel locks here. You can use channel locks, you can put a rag over it also to protect the chrome, but this is a warehouse faucet, so I don't have to worry about nicking it. So what you want to do is put some channel locks here, right at this part here. You don't want to squeeze too hard. Had the camera. You don't want to squeeze too hard. Yeah. You want to turn the channel locks to the right to loosen it. Then once it is loose enough, take it off by hand, like so. You can see there's already a little bit of dirt in there. So, you know. I can come over here and rinse it off. Or, you know, if you're going to replace it, you can just take it out like so. Drop another one in. If you need a washer, you can put a washer on it. Then it'll drop right back in place like so. Come over here. Spin it the opposite way. Boom. Tighten it back up. Just need to get it snug. And then you can test it out. Boom. Everything's good to go. If you do see some leaks out the side, you can always take it back off. And if you have the old washer or any washer that, you know, that came with the aerator, the new aerator, you can also just put that right on the top, screw it back on, tighten it back up, and that should stop everything from leaking. And that's another video from A Plumber's Life. I hope this video helped you out a lot. If it did, leave a like, comment down below. Let me know if you know another video you'd like to see, and subscribe if you want to see new content.